Come, wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? See, I am in that mood. I did that mood wey be say e just be like say make I just dey yarn. Wait, make I wear my glasses. Fine boy. Oh shit. Fine boy, fine boy. Oh my god. So there was one time I made one video. Yo, my people. Let me remove the glass so that you will not be seeing my ring light in the circle this thing of my glass. There was one video I made one time. I had to take down that video. You know that video, I dey give people update, one secret way to access any site that you have been blocked from checking in Nigeria. Right? I made that video of one powerful browser. That browser is a very private browser that you can use to access any site. I will not lie to you, a lot of Nigerians that are into internet business, doing a lot of stuff online, there are so many sites in the United States, in different countries, that they don't want us. And the reason they don't want us is very, very understandable. You can't blame them. A lot of people have spoiled the image of this country. Every website they go to, the next thing they are thinking in their coconut head is how they can scam people on that website. In fact, one of the websites that blocked Nigeria permanently is Craigslist.com. Craigslist. And the truth is, a lot of G-boys, they come to this place, they do their those kind of thing, and they are bombing and stuff on this platform. So because of that, this platform, they've blocked Nigerians. You can see that they said your request has been blocked. If you are having question, please contact us, which means if you are using your Chrome browser, you cannot access this website. Forget about it, OT-law. So I'm going to give you a trick for those of you that do businesses that most of the businesses you're looking for clients abroad to sell your product to. If you are into affiliate marketing, if you are into freelancing and stuff, that you are restricted from visiting a lot of foreign websites, I'm going to teach you something. That thing, it is coded. I've dropped this video before. I had to take down that video because of one or two reasons. I'm going to show you guys again. See, this video is going to help you. So you make sure that you like this video. You leave a comment, thank you. You must tell me thank you. You must tell me thank you. If not, we'll quarrel. Tell me thank you, because this thing, nobody on earth have showed you this one. It's only me that I want to show you guys. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to access every website using a particular browser. That browser is very powerful. You will be in Nigeria, in your house, in your parlor, Agege, Idumota, Elenu Shosho, anywhere in Nigeria, in Kano, Samia Boka, Otoro. Just sit down, do this thing, and the next thing, you are in the United States. Lie. Trust me. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to go on Google and search for Epic Privacy Browser. There's a video I was doing that I actually talked about Epic a little. You click on it. Step number one, you're going to open this browser. You're going to open it from your Google search. You're going to open it and you're going to download it. Now when you want to download, you're going to click here, download Epic now. You will download it. I've downloaded this browser before. After downloading it, the step is not hard. You install it. Right, when you finish the installation process, it's very simple. I've installed before, so I cannot be installing again. Just simply download and you install. Then you're going to launch the browser. You will launch the browser. The browser is something like this. It's going to pop up now. All right, good. Now when you launch this browser, the first thing you are going to do, listen, when this thing shows like this, you're going to come here and click on these three dots here, these small tools. Right, you're going to click here. When you click on it, you're going to come to more extensions. You're going to click it. No go do say pass me, or follow what I'm teaching you. Then when you click on this, you're going to click on extensions. So you come here, you click on more tools, and you're going to click on what? Extensions. When you click on extension, you're going to on two things. Don't go and on three, don't go and on four. Anything I say you should do, just simply do it. Are you listening to me? It was the story of Jesus Christ. When they wanted to turn water to wine in the party, the mother told them, he said, anything he asks you to do, do it. You're going to come to this place, Epic Ad Blocker. You can leave this one, or you can choose to on it. But this one is very important. Epic Encrypted Proxy VPN for browser. You are going to click on it. You will on it. Right? When it's like this, it's off. When you click on it, it show blue, it is on. When you click on it, then the next thing you are going to do, you are going to see something here, this leaf, this thing, this one that my mouse is touching on that is showing green. When you click on it, you're going to see location, United States, East Coast, West Coast, Canada. You can choose any country you want from here. You can off it anytime, but now if you have this one, we are going to go and open that Craigslist again. Look at it, Craigslist.com, right? Craigslist, I don't know that is .com, so let me just search for Craigslist. When I search for it and it opens on the Yahoo search, then I'm going to open the first one and you will see this is Craigslist.org, so it's not .com. I'll click on it and it is going to open. Please, I beg you, the reason I'm teaching you this is not for you to go and abuse it and start going to go and scam people. It's for people that genuinely want to advertise their businesses, they have affiliate products they want to promote, and they need to do it on this kind of platform or any website they've been stopped from accessing. This is how this thing works. This is a method I don't teach people. I don't like teaching people. It's the honest truth, but I have to teach you guys because I love you guys. The only thing you need to do is to like this video so that others can benefit. You leave a comment, a thank you, a baba, well done, you know, hype, whine me, hype me, go, hype, let my head swell up, bust my head, you know. Then you share this video to others so that they can benefit, and you subscribe to my channel so that I can be teaching you guys other stuff. I have done this video before. I took it down because of 1 or 2 reasons. I intentionally took it down for a period because I didn't want YouTube to strike my channel. You understand? Now I'm doing this video again. Please, the aim of this video is for people that are into all this making money online and they need to access a lot of foreign websites. You can do this for different websites that you have been restricted from accessing before, and it will work, right? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting update like this, you will not miss out. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.